from XLRI, and all the three of us were colleagues at a tech logistics startup called Kogoport, which is backed by Axel Partners. And I was responsible for building the marketing function there, responsible for customer acquisition. I was also the first member of the marketing team there, and I also happened to be the co-founder of a bakery and cafe chain called Guilt Trip.
I led the customer success team, responsible for generating revenues and growing the company by 9x to a top line of 40 million US.
In my previous company, I led the tech and product team, which was responsible for bringing efficiencies and automations in operations and finance.
In our time in college, we experienced the lack of a robust digital infrastructure, which not only made managing our campus life difficult, but also severely affected engagement. The whole idea of community, conversations, and connecting with other people was diminished, because we had to rely on face-to-face interactions only. Now with the coronavirus crisis, the education industry worldwide acknowledges what we had already felt and known. Institutions have not adopted technology, and by and large, the education system in its current state is unable to offer quality learning without a physical infrastructure. To solve these problems, we are building a modern conversational learning platform that draws heavily from social media while retaining core features of a learning management system. It promotes online learning and brings much needed scalability to peer learning and outside of the class conversations, while allowing you to connect with anyone in the campus. We wish to build a digital campus that mimics the physical one as closely as possible. So in a way, our product is a cross between a productivity platform like Slack and a social platform like Facebook, but customized to higher education.
If we look at the specific benefits to each user groups, for the teachers, the product tackles the challenge of communicating with students beyond the classroom, whether or not the world is facing a lockdown. This also enables the teachers to flip their classrooms, providing content to be viewed outside of class, leaving the valuable in-class time for deeper and more meaningful conversations. Through our platform's content management capabilities, we give them greater flexibility and control on their pedagogy. And with technology come the benefits of efficiency as long as the product is intuitive and simple to use. For students, it lets them manage their entire campus life, whether it's coursework or extracurriculars, on one platform. Students can also form their groups for projects, assignments, competitions, as well as for extracurriculars. For all users, the social media-like interface makes for easy adoption, thereby increasing content from the users, sparking debates, allowing students to ask doubts and crowdsource solutions. Moreover, everyone has one platform for all campus announcements, updates, and a digital community to stay connected. For the institute itself, better engagement and a strong digital infrastructure offers a competitive edge in the post-corona world, increasing their chances of attracting students and thriving in the market. It also allows them to be better equipped for online learning and opens a new revenue stream for them by offering engaging and effective distance learning programs. At the same time, with their ability to strip the elements to its core features and maintain a lean product, we pass on the cost benefits to the customers.
Current solutions, especially in India, are clunky, outdated, and largely ineffective, with a complete lack of a communication platform for discussions and collaboration. Instead, colleges have emails, clunky old internal platforms, and learning management systems, which further escalate the problem. LMSs are expensive, have too many features, and don't offer a great user experience. Internal portals also offer a poor user experience and are very limited in scope because of resources and technological constraints. Emails are too formal, restrictive, and do not engage. Most importantly, none of these are focused on communication and collaboration. This leads to two situations. Firstly, students have to make do with multiple different kinds of tools and form their own private network. There is no single digital community within a campus, and learning is either self-paced or limited to a small closed circle. Secondly, there is an increasing disconnect between teachers and students. Sadly, no one seems to be addressing the problem. All the innovations in the education sector are focused on content and course management, but now we believe there will be a wave of platforms that enable a digital campus, and we want to be able to cash in on our first mover advantage. Post extensive research, we are ready with wireframes, have started the product development, and are in talks with a couple of universities to co-create and pilot the product.